Welcome to my Hårklinikken Shampoo review. If you're looking for a solution to hair thinning or loss, you've probably heard of this shampoo. Let me walk you through everything you need to know about this product. Hårklinikken Shampoo promises to promote hair growth and improve the overall health of your hair. This shampoo is designed to support people dealing with thinning or shedding hair, offering a natural way to restore your hair's vitality. Upon first use, I noticed a refreshing scent, which isn't too strong but definitely noticeable. The texture of the shampoo is smooth, and it lathers well, which makes application easy. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and here's what I can honestly say. First off, it's important to note that Hårklinikken is made with natural ingredients designed to nourish the scalp and hair follicles. Unlike many other products, it doesn't rely on harsh chemicals, which is a major plus. One of the things I noticed right away is that it feels gentle on the scalp, even though it's quite effective. My hair felt softer after just one wash. Now, in terms of its claims to help with hair regrowth, I can tell you that it has a noticeable effect over time. While I didn't experience overnight results, after several weeks, I noticed my hair felt fuller, and the thinning area seemed to be improving. That said, the product does require patience, and it's important to keep in mind that results can vary from person to person. If you're someone who's looking for instant fixes, this may not be the product for you. The price point of Hårklinikken Shampoo is on the higher end, but when considering the natural ingredients and the results I'd experienced, I think it's worth the investment if you're serious about improving your hair health. However, it's also important to note that this isn't a miracle solution. You'll need to use it consistently and maintain a healthy lifestyle to see long-term results. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Overall, Hårklinikken Shampoo is a solid product if you're looking for a natural, gradual solution to thinning hair. While it doesn't provide instant results, the long-term benefits make it worth considering, especially if you're concerned about the health of your hair and scalp. I recommend giving it a try, but remember, patience is key. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more info. And if you enjoyed this review, please make sure to like and subscribe for more honest reviews like this.